How to use SafeWalk. When your kid needs an extra layer of security, SafeWalk provides emergency contacts you designate with real-time location updates. If they're feeling unsafe during a SafeWalk session, they can tap the SOS button to alert emergency contacts. Let's take a look at how SafeWalk and SOS work together. To get started, at least one emergency contact is required to use the SafeWalk and SOS functions. You can add emergency contacts from the Family Profile screen. Scroll to your parental controls for your kid and then tap on Manage Contacts. Next, tap Emergency Contacts. As the primary parent and account owner, you should already be assigned as an emergency contact. Tap Add Contact to add a new emergency contact. On your kid's phone, help them create a PIN that can be used to cancel an SOS and mark themselves as safe. From the home screen, tap the plus sign and select SafeWalk. If this is the first time using SafeWalk, we'll walk you through the setup to create a PIN. Once it's been created, your kid will have the option to practice sending and canceling an SOS. Now that SafeWalk is set up, your kid is ready to use it. Maybe they're feeling anxious while walking home from school alone. From the home screen, tap on the plus sign and then select SafeWalk from the options. This will share their live location with emergency contacts. All emergency contacts will get a text notification that a SafeWalk session is in progress and can follow their live location on the map. During the SafeWalk session, your kid can clearly see which of their emergency contacts is viewing their location. This provides confidence knowing you're aware of their whereabouts. If they feel unsafe and think they might need help, they can send you a silent SOS. They'll tap the SOS button to send it immediately, or press and hold the SOS button to be ready just in case. After releasing the SOS button, the SOS will be silently sent. As an emergency contact, you'll be alerted by text message about the SOS. You can quickly get driving directions to their current location or give them a call. The SOS alert will not contact 911 or dispatch emergency services. In the event of a critical emergency, dial 911. If your kid realizes it was a false alarm and everything is okay, they can tap Mark as Safe. They'll be prompted to enter their PIN to end the SafeWalk and SOS. All emergency contacts will be alerted that the SOS has been canceled. It's that easy.